Dear students, I am Devinder, your maths sir. Now you can see class 8 maths.
Now you can see here class 8 maths second chapter linear equation in one variable. First I will explain you what is an equation. Equation means a statement which states that the two algebraic expressions are equal. Two algebraic expressions are equal is called as an equation. First of all, are you know what is meant by algebraic expression? You have studied in the 7th class. Algebraic expression means it is a term. It is a term, single term. For example, x is a single term, and also are combination of terms. I am taking here 2x minus 5. Yes or no? Just you can see 2x minus 5 is a one algebraic expression, x is a another algebraic expression. That means I am taking here two algebraic expressions or not? Yes. So that I am taking here what is the mention here? A statement which states that the two algebraic expressions are equal. That means you can just write here equal symbol. That means 2x minus 5 is equal to x. This is a, so this is called as an equation. See one more example here. Say I am taking here 2x square plus 3 is equal to x minus 5. 3x minus 2y is equal to 10. Here x minus 2 is equal to 5x plus 8. See on the left hand side of the equal sign is called as LHS. On the right hand side of the equal sign is called as RHS part. See here next one, linear equation. Linear equation. Once you can see here linear equation means the equation involving only one variable unknown which is in first order, that is with highest power is equal to 1. That means if I am taking here x square, what is the power here? X power 2. That means it is not linear equation. If it is x power 1, you can make it as a linear equation. See here, a equation involving only one variable which is unknown in first order with highest power equal to 1 is called as, see here, 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. See, which is having only one variable or not? Yes, that is only x. See, what is the x power here? 1 or not? X power 1. That means highest power 1 only or not? So that this is called as linear equation. Here 10 minus 5, which is also having only one variable here, y only. See, y power is how much? 1 only. So this is also a linear equation. See here, 5 plus 3 z is equal to z. See, this is having how many variables? Only one. That is z only. What is the z power here? Highest power only 1. That means it is also a linear equation. Linear equation means just you can see here the equation involving only one variable in first order. First order means first degree here is called as a linear equation, or you can take it as, see, if the degree of an equation is 1, if the degree of an equation is 1, then the equation is called as linear equation. See here, in this problem we need to solve the values of, there may be x or y or z. We need to find the values of x, y, z. So that only I mentioned here. See, to solve an equation means to find the value of its variable, that may be x, y or z, etc. We need to find the unknown values. Now you can see a linear equation in one variable. See here I am taking here an equation of the form that may be in ax plus b. That may be in the form of ax plus b or ax is equal to b, where a comma b are constants and a is not equal to 0 is called as linear equation in one variable. This linear equation in one variable also called as another name as simple equation. Simple equation is also called as linear equation in one variable. Just you can remember an equation of the form which is ax plus b or ax is equal to b, where a comma b are constants and a is not equal to 0 is called as linear equation. Once you can see your example, 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. How many variables are having? Only one, x or no? Here how much? Here 3t minus 26 is equal to 39. See, it is in the equation in the form of ax minus b or not. It may be ax plus b or ax minus b, whatever it may be. You can take here only linear equation. Linear equation means the highest power of the variable is 1 only. T power 1 or not? Here x power 1 or not? So this is a linear equation in one variable or not? This is the linear equation in variable x. Here this is the linear equation variable t only. See, once you can remember, while solving simple equation having the variable on one side, we have the variables on one side or not? So we need to follow some guidelines. See, when we transpose terms from LHS to RHS, you can remember here, when we transpose terms from LHS to RHS, plus quantity becomes minus quantity. You can remember here, plus will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus only. See here, if it is multiplication, it will become division. If it is if it is division, quantity becomes, will become multiplication. Yes or no? For example, just you can see 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. 3x plus 5 is equals 14. If I am transposing, see, if I am transposing 5 to RHS, it will become minus or not? Just for this purpose only I told, plus will become minus. So that can I write here 3x is equal 14 minus 5 is equal to how much? 14 minus 5 is 9 or not? Yes, here 3x is equal 9 implies x is equal 9 by 3. See, 3 into x means it is doing multiplication or not? Multiplication quantity becomes division or not? So that only this 3, if I am transposing 3 to RHS, it will written as 9 by 3 or not? Yes or no? That means x is equal 3. Yes or no? X is equal 3 is the solution of the given equation 3x plus 5 is equal 14. I hope you may understood this one. Everyone should be remember, while transposing, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, into will become division, division will become multiplication. Now you can see here exercise 2.1. Solve the following simple equations. What is the first question? You can see here 6m is equal to 12. First I am writing here, given equation is how much? 6m is equal to 12. That means you need to find the unknown variable. Which is the unknown variable? M or not? We need to find the value of m. How can you find? Just you can guess it. 6m is equal to 12 means 6 into m is equal to 12 or not? That means here I am writing m is equal to 12 by 6. Yes or no? Why? Because you can write there transposing 6 to RHS. Yes or no? You know, already in the just previous video I explained multiplication will become division. Yes or no? 6m means 6 into m. If I am transposing 6 to RHS, it will become division or not? You know that 6 1 ja 6 2 ja. Yes or no? That means you can write here m is equals to m is equal 2 is the solution. That means you can write here, therefore m is equal to is the solution. M is equal to is the solution of 6m is equal to 12. This is your answer. In the similar way you can do another problems. Very easiest one. Once you can see here, given equation is minus 2x is equal to minus 12. In the next step you can transpose minus 2 to RHS. That means you can write here x is equal minus 12 by minus 2. In the brackets you need to write here transposing minus 2 to RHS. Yes or no? See here, minus 2, it is doing multiplication. If I am transposing to RHS, it will become division or not? You can see minus minus cancel, to 1 ja to 6 ja. That means x is equal to how much? X is equal to 6. You can write there. Your answer is x is equal to 6 is the solution. Solution of minus 2x is equal to minus 12. You can write here x is equal to 6 is the solution of minus 2x is equal to minus 12. You can see one more problem. Say 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Given equation, first you can write here 2x by 3 is equal to 18, but we need to find only x value, so that you can keep all the variables to right side, so that first you can transpose 3 to RHS. That means can I write here, see, 2x is equal to 18 into 3. Why? Because I am taking here 3. See here, 3 is the denominator or not? If I am, that means here 3 is doing with x, which operation? It is division. So already you know that division will become multiplication. You can write here, therefore transposing 3 to RHS. See here implies, you know that here, see, 2x is equal to 8 in 3 how much? 54. Yes or no? In the next step, you can transpose 2 to RHS. Yes or no? That means here 2 is doing multiplication or not. If I am transposing 2 to RHS, it will become division or not. So that you can write here x is equal 54 by 2. Each and every one you can write this here. Transposing 2 to RHS. You know 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 14, 2 7 ja 14. That means here how much? Your answer is x is equal to 12. Yes or no? Therefore, you can write here x is equal to 27 is the solution. You can write here x is equal to 27 is the solution of which one? Your question only. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. This is your answer. Very, very easiest to exercise in this chapter. You can do the remaining sums. Now you can see here another question. 14th one. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. First you can write the given equation. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. Next you can convert, that means here transpose 5 by 2 to RHS. See, it is plus or not. If I am transposing, it will become minus or not. Yes. In the way you can write here 8x is equal to 13 minus 5 by 2. Yes or no? In the brackets you can write transposing 5 by 2 to RHS. 5 by 2 to RHS. See, you need to solve this one. You know that 13 means 13 by 1 or not. Yes or no? That means you can write here 8x is equal to LCM is how much? 1 and 2. LCM is 2 only. You can write here directly 1 2 ja 2. That means 2 13 ja. You can write here 2 into 13. 2 into 13 minus here 5 into 1. You can write here 5 into 1. Simplify you now. 2 13 ja how much? 2 13 ja 26. Yes or no? 26 minus 5 ja 5 by 2. That means here 26 minus 5 how much? 21 or not? Yes. 21 by 2. Here how much it is? 8x. See here 8x is equal to 21 by 2. That means can I transpose 8 to RHS? Yes or no? That means can I write here x is equal to 21 by 2 into 1 by 8. You can write here 1 by 8. Why? Because see, 8 is doing here multiplication or not. If I am transposing 8 to RHS, it will become division or not. So that I am writing 1 by 8. In the brackets, you can write here transposing 8 to RHS. See here, is there any possible to simplification? Not possible. You can write it directly 21 by 8 to how much? 16. See here, x is equal to how much your solution? X is equal to 21 by 16 is your answer. If you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. See, it is in the improper fraction or not. So that can I write here 16 1 ja 16. Remainder is how much? 5 by 16. 1 5 by 16 is your answer. X is equal to how much? 1 5 by 16. Now you can see here another question. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 1 by 2. Yes or no? First I am writing here given equation. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 1 by 2. See, it is a mixed fraction or not. So that can I convert it into improper fraction? How can you convert? Just you can multiply. 3 2 is almost 6. 6 plus 1 is almost 7. That means can I write here 7 by 2? In the next step you can write here x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 7 by 2. We need to find only x value. Yes or no? So can I transpose 4 by 3 to RHS? Yes or no? If I am transposing 4 by 3 to RHS, it will become plus 2 minus or not? Yes, that means here x is equal to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. In the brackets, you can write here transposing 4 by 3 to RHS. See here, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6 or not? You can write here 2 and 3 is 6 only, or you can do cross multiplication, which is convenient to you. See here, 7 3 ja, you can write here 7 into 3 minus 4 2 ja. 4 2 ja. Why? Because see, 2 3 ja almost 6, so that the quotient is 3. 3 7 ja I written, minus 3 2 ja almost 6, the quotient is 2 only, that means 2 4 ja 8. See here, x is equal to, implies you can write here x is equal to 7 3 ja almost 21, minus 4 2 ja almost 8 by 6. 21 minus 8 is how much? 21 minus 8 is 13. 13 by 6. X is equal to how much? Your answer 13 by 6. Or if you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. See here, 6 1 ja 6. See, 13 by 6 means 6 2 ja 12. Remainder is how much? 1. That means you can write here 2 is here, 2 1 by 6. Your answer is how much? 13 by 6. Or we can write it as 2 1 by 6. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Your answer is x is equal 13 by 6. Who is your answer?
Thank you for watching this video.